welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing and installing some clip-ins sent by CurlsQueen. Off bat, the packaging is very cute. Once you open the box, you'll see a bag of goodies. They sent a cute detangling brush, a satin silk drawstring bonnet, as well as some extra clip-ins if needed. Next, we have the clip-ins, which are packaged in a cute satin bag. Once I took those out, I saw a cute thank you card as well as a CurlsQueen leaflet. So these are the kinky curly clip-ins made specifically for 3B 3C hair type. They are 18 inches long, which you'd be able to see more once washed. So I'll be using my rosemary and mint shampoo and conditioner to wash and prep the hair. So here I'm just saturating the clip-ins in water and adding shampoo so that I can lather that up together and get rid of any impurities. So when you buy new clothes, you wash it before you wear it, right? So I would recommend washing the hair before you install it, because 9 times out of 10 is dirty, and as you can see, there's a change in the color of the water. I went ahead and shampooed the hair for a second time off camera just for my satisfaction. Next, I went in with my conditioner and I treated the hair as I would my own, making sure that I detangled from the ends and walked my way to the top. Yeah, I was genuinely surprised by the quality of this hair. It looks like how my natural hair would look if I was to wash it. It looks super healthy, super moisturized, and it was very soft. I hope the camera is doing it justice because the quality is amazing. And to top it all off, there was little to no shedding. That was all I got from detangling the hair. Literally. I just had to add another close-up. I had to, because look at this. So just to compare the lengths, this is what it looked like fresh out the box, and this is what it looks like once I washed it. Now onto installing. I took my natural hair down and I'll be sectioning a part from the front that I would use to blend in with the clip-ins. So first I did a middle part, then I sectioned my hair to about my ear and clipped that away from the rest of my hair. Now, because I was doing clip-ins, I didn't see the need to cornrow my hair. So I went with a simple part down the middle and a braid on both sides. This is how it looked once I finished. It looks a little crazy, not gonna lie, but you gotta trust the process. What I did was I just took the braids, crossed them, and pulled it through my hair just so that it wouldn't be left hanging, dangling, anything. So that is all I did. And then I went straight to installing the clip-ins, which is super easy. You literally just clip it into your natural hair just to make sure that it's secured, and repeat the process for each of them. Just so you guys know, it comes with a total of 10 clips. 2 are 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and 4 2 clips. So starting from the back coming to the top, I did 1 4 clip, 2 5 clips, another 4 clip, 3 clips, and then the remaining 2 clips I attached towards the front of my hair. Now it's time to blend my natural hair in with the clip-ins. So I'm just adding some water to dampen my hair so I can add my leave-in conditioner to define my curls. I added too much product on this side, but it'll blend in eventually. As y'all can see, piece of the clip-in at the back was showing, so I tried to use some of my hair that I left out to cover that up while still having some to style because I was going for a side part. What I should have done though, guys, was move that clipping further to the front so that it wouldn't show as much and my natural hair would have been able to blend it out. Here I added a bit more water just to get the hair to be damp so that I can add my leave-in cream. Here I'm just doing my edges. Of course, it's not a finished style if the edges aren't done. So this is the final look, guys. I am so in love with the quality of this hair. It blends well with my natural hair. It's full, it's soft, and the curls are just popping, okay? Because I left some of my natural hair out at the back, as you can see, it just adds to the overall natural look. I'm so in love, guys. I said, let me go put some hoops in, because this is a cute look. Why not? Let's elevate it. I'm in awe, y'all. This came out so pretty. And it took me about 10 minutes, if that. This is definitely a go-to look for me from now on. I wanted to give y'all a more up-close look because this is the one, baby. This is the one. I loved it so much. I took so many pictures, of course. I'm just a girl. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, if you found this helpful, please leave a comment. I definitely recommend you getting clip-ins from CurlsQueen. I also will leave my discount code in the description for you guys to get a discount when you purchase, and I will link the products that I use. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and do let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like me to make. Bye!